Hello, how are you all? I hope you will be alright. There are a lot of programming languages in market today. Choosing one for your career is very difficult for some time. There are a lot of factors that will be need to be into consideration. How complex the language is, how much time it will take, how much time you have to learn this language, how long this programming language exists in market, and many more questions. There are a lot of questions comes in your mind while choosing correct language which suits you as well as your future. Sometimes what happens, a lot of people choose one language, but after some time they realize that their decision was wrong. So, keeping all these things in mind, today I am coming with four programming language which will be in great demand in 2020 and 21. Go. Go, also called Golang, is a programming language initially developed at Google in the year 2007 and was launched in 2009. It is used in distributed networks, complicated backend technologies, cloud services, and many other areas. Companies such as Google, Uber, Dailymotion, Fabric, etc. have developed many applications and APIs by using Go language. As we know, IoT, Internet of Things, is one of the major technology in demand in 2021, and Go plays the lead role in development of IoT. If I am talking about the advantages of Go language, it is extremely small, simple and easy to use. So if you do not have enough time and wants to learn language in a very short period of time, then Go language is your best choice. Great tooling such as the most excellent package manager which reduce programmer stress a lot. This language is designed for large scale software engineering. So if anyone wants to develop big application, this may be the best choice. The most important thing about this language is it is supported by Google. So its future is bright and there is no issue of fund for development of this language. And one very important advantage is that it hides complexity behind simple syntax which attracts programmer. Java is general purpose programming language, that is class based and object oriented language. Java is similar to C and C++, but it removes the drawback and complexity of C and C++ like pointers and multiple inheritance. So if you have background in C and C++, you will find Java familiar and easy to learn. Unlike C++, which is semi object oriented, Java is a fully object oriented programming language. It has all OOPS features such as abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. Java is most demanding programming language, there is no doubt in it. It is widely used in many companies worldwide. The Java virtual machine make the language cross-platform compatible. The best feature of Java programming language is that it is an open source, robust, platform independent and secure language. We can easily find many applications in different type of industry in Java like banking, finance services, web and mobile development and desktop development. If we move toward the advantages of Java language, then first one is capable of multi-threading, which make it to process the things in a very speed way. It follows the OOPS concept, as I have already told you. It follow 100% OOPS concept. Plenty of open source libraries are there, so it will be very helpful to work in Java for the programmers. The feature of automatic memory allocation make it very useful. Highly secure due to exclusion of explicit pointers and inclusion of security manager for defining access of class. JavaScript is the front-end programming language. JavaScript is widely used to design interactive front-end application. It gives us real-time experience. Nowadays, many programmer and company are using JavaScript in different form like Node.js, AngularJS, Express.js, and many more. With Node.js, now we are able to develop our application in single programming language. For server side, we can use Node.js, and for client side, we can use Angular. If anybody wants to do freelancing, then JS is the best option. Moving towards the advantage of JavaScript, JavaScript is very fast and there is a valid reason behind it. It do not do compilation. Second one is regular updates through ECMAScript specification. ECMAScript team regularly give us update which contain new features and they remove bugs, older bugs. JavaScript easily work with other languages and can be used in a huge variety of applications. Python is the fastest growing programming language today. The best thing about the Python programming is that being a high level programming language, it is very easy. It is the most demanded language in the market and is called the programming language for beginners since it is an open source language which is easy to understand. Moving towards the advantages of Python, creating and using class and objects is very easy. First of all, it contains extensive library support. It is open source with very large developing community support. It is very easy to learn and use. It is called for large and complex application. That means we can easily create very big application.